Hi everyone, this is a TV which I'm trying to fix. Sharp LED LCD lc-55P6000U, and the manufacturing date is 2017. So this is a 55-inch Sharp TV. So when I've plugged this in and power it on, it displays the Sharp logo and then it stays on for some time and then the screen goes blank. So let's see what could be the problem with this TV. So after 30 seconds or so, the logo disappeared and then it's displaying a blank screen. I know it's on since I could see the LED is lit and it's even displaying here. So to get started, I removed the back of the TV and it's held by a lot of screws. There are on the top this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the side it's 1, 2, 3, and then there are more here and there. So once that is removed, the back looks like this. So I ordered the entire kit, which included the power board, the main board, the T-con board, and all the ribbons and attachments which goes with it, and even the power switch. I'm not sure which board is bad, so let's replace them one by one. I got this from eBay, from a working TV which was cracked. So I'm pretty sure it's the power board. Let's see if it gets fixed when we replace this. So to remove the main board, it's connected here, here, and here, and here. There are 4 connections, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then this bracket is held by 1 screw here, and the second one is here. So to remove this, you press this tab and then gently pull it out, and then to remove the T-con connection ribbon, you pull this up like this, and then this slides out like that. And again push this and pull it out. To remove the final tab, you push this and pull it out. So all these are disconnected, and then screws can come out, and this whole board can come out. So after the 5 screws are removed, I put them in each of their holes. So I have them organized. I'll put the replacement part and see if the TV powers on. Otherwise we'll move to the next board, the power board. So I put the new board, and for testing purposes I only put 2 screws on, and I connected the power supply and powered on the TV, and looks like it started working. So this main board was a problem. Replacing that fixed this TV. I'll put the back of the TV and then set it up and give you an update. So I'll put the screws back. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are on the bottom. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 screws, and then few are in the middle. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. All these are visible, so you could easily remove them. And there's no screws at the bottom, so that's good. And yeah, you can remove it and then see. And one more thing, when ordering parts, make sure that the numbers on these matches with what you're ordering. Even if there are some variations, and I don't know if the parts will work. So that's a wrap. Thank you.